Okay, this is the second video of the linear equation two variable and linear equation linear equation in two variable. In this video, I will discuss about the solution of the linear equation by the method of the cross multiplication. In this video, I will discuss the method solving linear equation by the method by the method by the method of cross multiplication. Okay, and now consider two two equation a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal 0, and this equation marked 1, and second a2x plus b2y plus c2, this equation second. And for cross multiplication method, now this is the taking x and mark here bc minus bc, and this equal to y by ca minus ca in cyclic order, and this equal to 1 by ab minus ab. After that, in the b mark, this is the 1 2 2 1, and this is the 1 2 2 1, and 1 2 2 1. Okay, suppose if we want to find the value of x, now taking both first and last part. If we want to find the value of x, now taking the first and last part, and after that value of x are transfer this number on the other side, b1 c2 minus b2 c1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. And if you want to find the value of y, then taking second last term and transfer this number are c1a2 minus c2a1 by a1b2 minus a2b1. Okay, in this way we can find the value of x and y. And other method, if you want to use other method for solving using the cross multiplication, then write in the place of the x, and there are b1 b2 c1 c2. In the place of y, there are a1 a2, and in the place of the 1, there are 1, and write down b1 b2 y1. Okay, and then we take cross multiplication to multiply to this number, and for taking the value of y, multiply by both number, and for taking the value of 1 for this one. After this, if we are taking the first part x, B1 multiplied by C2, B1 C2, and multiply by this number are B2 C1. This equal to Y by C1 multiplied by A2, C1 A2 minus C2 A1 for 1 A1 B2 minus A2 B1. In this way, for finding the value of Ax, if we want to find the value of Ax, now taking the last two term and the value of X are B1 C2 minus B2 C1 by A1 B2 minus A2 B1, and the Y are for finding the value of Y, now taking the last two term and C1 A2 minus C2 A1 C2 A1 by A1 B2 minus A2 B1. Now using these two rule, we can find the value of X and Y. After this, now consider some example. Consider example. Now take some example for solving these equation are 2x plus 3y equal 46 and 2x and 5 3x plus 5y is equal to 74. First of all, rewrite this equation 2x plus 3y minus 46 equal 0. This equation first, and 3x plus 5y minus 74 equal 0. This is equation number second. Now comparing this equation are a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal 0, and this equation are compared to a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal 0. After then, value of a1 are 2, b1 3, c1 minus 46, and the value of a2 are 3, b2 5, and c2 are minus 72. Okay, now we want to find the value of x. For finding the value of x, now use this formula x equal b1 c2 b2 c1. Now use this formula for x, value of x b1 c2 minus b2 c1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1, and for finding the value of y are c1 a2 minus c2 a1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. So put the value of b1 in the b1 is 3 and value of c2 is minus 74 minus 74 minus value of b2 is 5 and value of c1 are minus 46. After this, value of a1 2, value of b2 5 minus value of a2 3, b1 3. So after this 3 multiply plus and minus, they are minus 3 4 are 12, 3 7 are 21 to 22, and here minus minus plus 3 7 are 21. Here right 21 3 7 ja 21. Oh, no, no. Okay, 3 4 ja 12, 2 carry 1, 3 7 ja 21 to 22, minus minus plus 5 6 ja 30, and 5 4 ja 20 to 22, and here 5 2 ja 10, minus 3 3 ja 9. After solving, so here negative is larger than their positive, so 222 plus this to minus 2 by 1, and after this value of x are minus 2. In this way, value of in this way there are the 5 6 are 30, 5 4 ja 20, and 3 23. These are the 23, and after subtraction there are the left 8, and here and there 5 2 5 ja 10, and 3 3 ja 9. This is the plus, and so in this way the value of x are 8. So in this way the value of x are 8. After this we want to find the value of y, and we put the value of c1 in above equation. Value of c1 are minus 46, and value of a2 are 3, minus value of c2 are minus 74, and value of a1 are 2, and in this case 10 minus 9. And here 3 6 ja 18, 3 4 ja 12, 1 13, minus, and here minus minus plus 2 4 ja 8, 2 7 ja 14, and there are the 1, and after subtract these number, and 148 to 138, these are the 10, so y value are 10, and their value of x are 8. In this way we can find the value of x and y. Okay, another equation. Now we take another example. Example 2, 2x plus y equal 5, and 3x plus 2y equal 8. Now rewrite these equation are 2x plus y minus 5 equal 0. This is equation first, and 3x plus 2y minus 8 equal 0. This is equation first. Now compare these are the a1 equal to b1 equal 1, c1 equal minus 5, and second equation a2 equal 3, b2 equal 2, and c2 equal minus 8. Since we know that we want to find the value of x are, we know that the formula for finding the value of x are b1 c2 minus b2 c1 equal y by c1 a2 minus c2 a1 equal 1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. For finding the value of x, if you want to find the value of x, so x equal, now taking the last two part, And for finding y, taking this part, show there b1 c2 minus b2 c1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. For finding the value of y, now taking last two part c1 a2 minus c2 a1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Okay, now finding the value of x. Now here we want to find the value of x. In this case, value of b1 1 and value of c2. Value of c2 are minus 8 minus value of b2 are 2 and value of c1 minus 5 by a1 value of a1 2 value of b2 2 minus value of a2 3 value of b1 1 and here plus and minus minus 8 minus minus plus 2 5 ja 10 here 2 2 ja 4 minus 3 and 10 में से 8 subtract करेंगे they are 2 by 1 so in this way value of x are 2. After finding the value of x, now we want to find the value of y. So finding the value of y, put the value of c1 minus 5 and a2 3 minus value of c2 minus 8 value of a1 2 and denominator this denominator and this denominator have a same so give same value 4 minus 3 and there are 5 3 are 15 minus 15 minus minus plus 2 8 just 16 there are 1 so value 1 value of y are 1. In this way we can find the value of y. Okay, now consider one another example for solving this question. Question 8x example 3 8x plus 5y equal 9 and second equation 3x plus 2y equal 4. Rewriting the equation 8x plus 5y equal plus 5y transfer this 9 equal 0 this equation first and 3x plus 2y minus 4 equal 0 and now compare the value of a1 equal 8 b1 equal 5 and c1 equal minus 9 and a2 equal 3 b2 equal 2 and c2 equal minus 4. Now consider the standard equation of this value are x equal b1 c2 minus b2 c b2 c1 b2 c1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1 and for finding value of y are c1 a2 minus c2 a1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1 and after this value of b1 are 5 and value of c2 are minus 4 minus value of b2 are 2 and value of c1 are minus 9 and here value of a1 are 8 and value of b2 2 minus value of a2 3 and value of b1 5 and after this 5 4 plus and minus minus 5 4 ja 5 4 ja 20 minus 20 and minus minus plus 2 9 ja 18 by 8 2 ja 16 3 5 ja minus 15 and negative is larger than positive so write in negative 20 में से 18 subtract करेंगे 2 and there 1 so in this way value of x are minus 2. After this find the value of y. So in this case value of c1 and c1 is minus 9 and value of a2 3, value of c2 is minus 4 and value of a1 is 8 by a1 b2 value of a1 is 8 value of b2 is 2 minus value of a2 is 3 value of b1 is 5. So 3 9 ja 27 minus 4 4 8 ja 32 by 16 minus 15 and after subtract gives 5 32 में से 27 subtract करेंगे 5 so value of y are 35. So in this way we can find the value of x and y. Now in this way this topic is over and student if you watch and having any problem then you ask me. Okay, that's all.